What is up, my dudes? I am watching my own vids. If you want to see them, there. No, you can't. I have nothing to do. Well, I do have one thing. People are gonna roast me in the comments. People are gonna hate me. Go down in the comment section if you can do that and say like you can do it. Let me get my dogs. Blue! Duke, get off the couch. Duke's literally right. Ow! My toe! It fell. Here's a better view of my new dog if you couldn't see him. Blue, I'm gonna need you to move. I got him. I did him in a vlog yesterday. This Blue. Oh yeah, let me show you some of my Pokemon. I did it on my other channel. I don't know if I showed y'all. These are my best ones. They're in my bedroom. Never mind, I forgot they're in my book bag, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah. Here they are. Oh no, my camera fell. Duke and Blue, say hi to the camera. Nope, get out. I'm gonna go from where. Now, this card, it's not. Hold up. Let me bring my camera over. Oh man, I need to zoom out. Okay, yeah, here we go. This is good. This is better lighting. I hope it is. Oh, bro, I need good lighting. Hold on, let me turn on all the lights in here so that'll help it. Oh, watch out. That should help. I'll turn them off whenever I'm done doing this. Okay. Let's stop. Let me bring it over here to where my lamp is. Okay, here's the first card. This is, I put this card at the last, but look at its damage. Okay, I got Infernape. Okay, so I got one really good regular card. I actually have two of them, but one's not here. Blue, stop. Then I have a EX Kingdra. I don't know if I showed these off or not. No. Oh yeah, I got this out of a big bundle. I bought a big bundle. I also have a big version, like I have an actual big card of this Kingdra EX. It's just not here. I showed it off on my other channel. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Volcanion EX. 130 damage. I saw this kid on YouTube doing a Charizard tin can opening. I'm like, this crap is so fake. Because number one, he had a regular Charizard. Then he pulled a Dialga EX. Like the full silver card version. Those, I'm pretty sure that those might be rare to pull. Blue, stop. That came out of nowhere. I literally just gave both of these dogs a bath yesterday, and Blue's just licking the crap out of him. And he pulled a Blastoise EX. He has that regular Charizard and then a Dialga EX. I'm like, that's so fake. I got the break card right here. These are the only Pokemon cards that I have right now. The rest of them are at my mom's house. Because I'm with my dad right now. I'm at my dad's house. Okay, I got Kyurem EX. I don't have white. Oh! Blue is just picking on this dog. Blue was just picking on Duke, and then Duke just came up and tried to nip him. I don't have Diagla EX. I don't have the white Kyurem or the black Kyurem. Did the camera, the lighting just get... Why'd the lighting change? Kyurem EX. I don't know if you can see the damage, but it said 60 and 120. Okay, I'm gonna need you to get off, buddy. He's not allowed to be on the furniture. Neither of them are. That's why, because he kept hopping onto here. This boy, I literally pulled this thing up just so we couldn't get up there. Because Blue can't really jump that high, but that dog can. Okay, here are the good cards. These last 3 cards are Mega EX, GX, and then another Mega EX. I pulled the GX out of a booster pack. I pulled a GX. The GX that I'm about to show you after this one card right here, I literally pulled it out of a booster pack at Walmart. Dang it. And literally just flipped out. I'll be back. Hold up, guys. Something just fell. How did this fall? I'm glad the camera can see my videos that I have on here. It's literally playing my regular videos, like the videos that I posted. Y'all might be saying, but your videos are so cringy. Why would we want to see them? The reason they're cringy is because views. Okay, here's the Mega Adino or something EX. It has that stuff. If you can't see its damage, it says 110. Okay, yeah, here's the GX and then the big Mega EX. It's not like a big card, but it's like a regular card. It's a good one. Okay, yeah, this is the GX that I pulled out of a pack. I literally flipped out. I'm telling you, I flipped out. Okay, here's my good card. I traded this at school. It's a Mega Steelix EX. I don't know if it's fake. No, it's not. Probably can't see it that great. There you go. I am going to, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna upload this video, then I'll be back and record again. Like and subscribe. I'm pretty sure you won't, but just do it. Bye.